Good morning. It is January 8th and we're taking a look again at guncalendars.com, where we try to keep track of 2A history. We have a couple of things to talk about this morning. First is Elvis was born today in 1935. Not really a gun inventor, but Elvis had guns and he brought some guns to the White House, and he's Elvis. Then we have the anniversary of the death of David Carbine Williams, so the inventor of the M1 carbine, also some firearms mechanisms that are in use in many firearms. Unfortunately, today is also the anniversary of a mass murder here in Tucson back in 2011, and well, we obviously have a lot of stuff to remember there. So this was January 8th. Lots more stuff coming up this month. Stay tuned for more from guncalendars.com.